Hello everyone, I am Cindy Agrepamani, as a semester management student. This video is created to fulfill the assignment for the computer application course taught by Mr. Sudung Simatupang. Today, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to use Mendeley for automatic citations. So let's get straight to it. As you can see, I have already prepared several types of reference sources that we commonly use in our management assessments. Journal articles, both international and CINTA accredited, conference proceedings, thesis or dissertations, and also books in PDF format. Now, we are going to migrate these files into Mendeley so we can manage their metadata. Next, I will demonstrate it. How to add these files to Mendeley automatically, but we'll do it one by one to ensure the accuracy of the data. I'm going to show you the standard way to add journal reference using the Add Files menu. This method is highly recommended so we can select our files more precisely. First step, click the Add or Add New button in the top left corner of the Mendeley application, then select the Add Files options. Once the file browser's window appears, I will pick them one by one. For this first one, I will select a Cinta journal file, click the file, and then click open. Alright, the file is now in our list. Now let's check the task in the right-hand panel. Even though we edit it automatically at fast, we still need to vary the data carefully. Typing, make sure journal article is selected, title and author, assure the title and author's name match the PDF document. Journal identity, double check the journal name, publication year, volume, and issue number. Remember, friends, our accuracy at this stage will determine how neat our bibliography will be in Microsoft Word later. Now, for the other two journals, whether it's an international journal or another national one, the steps are exactly the same. We still use the add fast feature and perform the same metadata check. So I will just show you the quick process here. Okay? Now all three of journals are ready in the library. Now that the journals Now that the journals are all set, let's move on to the next file, the conference proceeding, or what we usually call seminar proceedings. Just like before, we click Add New, select Files from Computer, and I will choose the proceeding file I've already prepared. Click Open and wait a moment for the upload process to finish. Now, everyone, please pay close attention to the panel on the right. This part is absolutely crucial for proceedings. Sometimes Mendeley automatically detects this a journal article instead of a proceeding. If that happens, We must manually change the type to conference proceedings. Why? So that the bibliography format will be current and consistent later on. For a proceeding, make sure that elements are filed in title and author, just like with journals. Use ensure the title and author names are accurately. Proceeding title. This is important. Don't put a journal name here. Instead, enter the name of the seminar of conference, for example, proceeding of the International Conference on Management, year and city. Don't forget to include the year and the city where the seminar was held if that information is available. Next, we are going to add the SHIS or integrated dissertation as a reference. The process remains the same. Click Add New, select the file, and click Open. Let's check the column on the right. Please make sure that the sales type is thesis. There is one additional column that we must pay attention to her, which is the university file. Ensure that the original university name is written in full. Don't forget to also check the year and the department files if they are available. Having complete data is very important so that our citation look credible and the source clearly show which institution it belongs to. Finally, we are going to add a book as our reference. Just like the previous step, we click Add New, select the ebook file, and click Open. Let's wait for the file to appear in our library. Now, let's check the details in the right-hand panel. Make sure the date select type is book. In addition to the title and author, make sure the publisher and year fields are filled in. In the information is available in the book, it's a good idea also manually complete the city and edition files. This ensures our citation is perfect and follow proper scientific writing standards. Beside document files, we sometimes use high-quality videos from YouTube as reference. For this kind of source, we will need to add information manually. The process is simple. Click Add New, then select Add Entry manually. In the tab section, change it to film or video. Next, fill in the required data, title, enter the title of the YouTube video, author, enter the creator name or the channel name, publication, type in YouTube, year, the year the video was uploaded, URL, don't forget to copy and paste the video link into the URL file. This is important so the lecturer can verify the authenticity of the sources. Now I will show you how to manually add reference from a web page. The steps are click Add New, then select Add Entry manually in the tab section. Make sure to select web page. Then information we need to complete is title, the titles of the articles or the page words, author, the author name. If there is no personal author, you can use the organization name, for example, BPS Indonesia, publication atau website, enter the name of the website, the year the article was published, URL and access data, paste the full link and don't forget to include the data you access the website and online content can change over time. Finally, I saw a special trick. What if we find a very reference journal, but is behind a paywall? Don't worry, we can still get the data into Mendeley. The first method is to download only the metadata. Look for export or city button on the website. Then close the list or bibtex format. This tiny file contains our journal's information with the actual PDF. Just add this file to Mendeley View at the fast, and the data will populate automatically. But what if we still need add the full content? You can copy the DOI of the journal and use a tool like SCI Hub. Once the PDF is achievable, you can download it and upload to the Mendeley using the add fast method we discussed earlier. By combining REST bibtex for metadata and CSGE hub for the documents, the narration to miss out on high quality reference just because of access issues. Now, what is our sources is a basically book or a hard book with no PDF file available. Don't worry, Mendeley can still handle it. Here how, click at new, then select entry manually since it's a visual book. Make sure the type is the book. We need to manually type in the text from the book's title page. Title, they enter the full title of the books. Author, type the author's name. Remember, use the last name, first name format. For example, Cotton Paper. Year, the year is was publisher, the name of the publication company, city and edition. For physical books, these two are very important. Enter the city of the publication and specific education of the book. Even though there is no PDF icon in Mendeley, the data is now saved as a reference. So when we city it in Word later, the format will be perfect and follow Shinchenti standards. Next, I will demonstrate how to city the different level of theory for operation management. I have already prepared the quotes on the screen. Let's connect them with Mendeley. In this paragraph, we have my grand theory. I am citing the definition of operation management from the book by J. Hager and Barry Render. This theory serves as the major foundation for how production activities and value creation are managed. I, shall, I select their book in Mendacity and click Insert Citations. Next, we move to the middle regions theory. Here I am using the supply chain management theory by Sunil Chopra. This theory connects operation management with the distribution flow of goods to the customers. Again, we click insert on the corresponding reference. Finally, we have the apply theory. This is the practical theory that directly discusses my research variable, which is inventory management. I am referring back to Hazer and Render for technical aspects regarding safety, stock and inventory efficiency. Let's click insert one last time. So That the complete tutorial on using Mendeley to support our research methodology assessment. We have covered everything from importing journals, proceedings, and physical books to systematically mapping our theories to strengthen chapter 2. I hope this tutorial is helpful and enable everyone to produce neater and more credible academic work. Remember, accession to data is reference management is the key to high quality research. I am Cindy Agrippa Manik. Thank you for thank you for attention and good luck with all your assessment. See you. Anjir.